Dear friends, now I am going to dictate Tamil Nadu government's examination paper, that is paper 2, elaboration at the rate of 120 words per minute. It is also very important to practice in addition of paper 1. Most of the students are not concentrating on second paper, only they are focusing on first paper. But you don't do like that. Second paper also equally important. There is no doubt at all. So the content is important in elaboration to write in elaborated way. If there is any omissions, just you leave it. Number 1. 14th annual general meeting of Rajan Engineering Company, Madurai, to be held at its registered office at number 20 Town Hall Road on 20th January at 11 am. To consider and adopt director's report, audited balance sheet, and profit and loss account for the previous year, to declare dividend and to elect directors in place of three retiring directors, to appoint auditors for the next year and fix their remuneration. Share transfer books to be kept closed for a period of 30 days. Member may appoint proxy to attend the meeting. Draft notice issued by secretary enclosing the director's report and balance sheet. Number 2. Draft advertisement for post of production manager required by Scooters Limited Coimbatore. Candidate should be graduate in mechanical engineering, higher qualification in production engineering desirable, experience for at least 10 years in large engineering unit employing mass production techniques, preferably manufacturing scooters and motorcycles, salary around rupees 2500 per month, free furnished residence, medical aid conveyance, should join the post immediately on selection. Interview at candidate's cost. Apply with full biodata to personal manager within 15 days. Draft an application in response to the advertisement. Number 3. Sealed tenders are invited by the Directorate of Industrial Training, Trivandrum, for supply of electric measuring instruments and equipments. Last date for receipt of tenders 5 p.m. on 30th July. Tenders received after the last date will not be considered. Tenders will be opened at 11 am on 14th in the presence of tenderers or their representatives. Tenders to be in the prescribed forms obtainable from the undersigned on payment of rupees 10 in cash. Price of tender documents not refundable on any account. Earnest money of rupees 1000 should be sent by way of a crossed bank draft along with the tender. Right to accept or reject tenders reserved draft tender notice. Number 4. Write a letter to the editor of an English daily regarding change in working hours of schools and colleges in the city of Madras. It causes great hardship to students. Students find no time in the morning for study. Women folk are not able to complete the domestic work in the short time available. Staggering of working hours of educational institutions has not yielded the desired results. Students only form a negligible percentage of the traveling public. Crowd in buses during peak hours continues. Starting of educational institutions at 10 in the morning will be convenient. Old timing in schools should be adopted. Educational institutions may be given the option to fix their working hours after ascertaining the views of students and parents. Authorities should not interfere. Number 5. To a question in the Rajya Sabha about new steel projects to be taken up in the 5th or 6th plan periods, the Minister of Steel and Mines replied that no new steel project would be taken up in the 5th plan and that the feasibility studies undertaken might be made use of in the succeeding 5-year plan periods. A member inquired about the stage of Salem steel project, and the minister clarified that the first stage of the factory was proposed to be taken up at a cost of rupees 60 crores. Another member wanted to know whether a special class of public administrators would be introduced for the purpose of improving efficiency, and the minister replied in the negative. When questioned about the starting of mini steel plants in various states of the country, the minister explained that there were sufficient number of steel plants in the states. Draft the parliamentary proceedings in the direct form.